What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day out here on the beach, and I'm hanging out with my boy Justin. You know, I'm Drone Evolution NYC, and we're just getting our fly on. Right now, they're combing the beach, getting ready to prepare it for the summer season that's coming up. People are walking their dogs. Look at this view. And this is why I love flying out here. There's Justin going down the beach. Hold on, see if I can catch him. He's flying, making some runs down the beach. He just passed us, actually. It's a great day out here. I wish you guys could come out here and fly with me. But if you live in the 5 boroughs, NYC metropolitan area, and you want to come fly along this beautiful beach before summer season starts on Memorial Day, hit me up. Then you can do runs like Justin now, going down the beach over the water. He's actually going all the way down and around that turn and looping back. It makes for some great shots, seriously, especially when it's nice and low. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the day, no matter what it is, what you're doing.
I can hear your voices from the side of the ground. Close my eyes and now I see what you see.
Look up at me on the pedestal, promising I'll never let it go. Commas and I'm seeing several. Say I'm the next to blow, next to bro. I'm in the saddle up, told me to saddle up. You get a lot of love, but it's not enough for the kids. Shut up, keep it bottled up. If I'm the next to just exit, hold my breath and just text it. Have my finger on the trigger. Fans told me, hold up, nigga, this to the strange land the most. Name Brandon Bose, almost jumped off the roof. Damn, that was close, love.
I can hear your voices from the side of the ground. Close my eyes and now I see what you see. And it's making me feel so, 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 so.
You call, I ain't picking up. Your checkbook ain't thick enough to deal with this fickle business. I'm just sick of this shit. I get a message from the kids that's sick of this shit. Said they would've slicked their wrists if they wasn't listening in the Chris. Love it when they said something about my lips. In the comments you ripping and throwing fits. I be numbing they pain while I'm numbing my pain. We're like one and the same, minus the fame. I'm just looking up, little tipsy. I'm kinda lame. It's been a strange land the most. The name Brandon Bose. Almost tried to overdose. Damn, that was close.